Now the 11th sum, they have given that angle A, in triangle, the bigger triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degree and BL and CM are the medians. What is the meaning of median? From the vertices to the opposite midpoint, that is point M is a midpoint of AB and L is a midpoint of AC, that is it divides AC into two equal parts. Now in triangle ABC, that is a bigger triangle, angle A is 90 degree, therefore by Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Let this be one Pythagoras theorem. Now we will take the smaller triangle. In triangle AMC, in triangle AMC, again angle A is 90 degrees, so by Pythagoras theorem, CM square is equal to AC square plus AM square. Let this be 2 Pythagoras theorem. Now take this triangle. In triangle BLA, again angle A is 90 degrees, so by Pythagoras theorem, BL square is equal to AB square plus AL square. Let this be 3 again by Pythagoras theorem. Now add 2 and 3. Add 2 and 3. So what you will get? CM square plus BL square. CM square plus BL square is equal to AC square plus AB square plus AM square plus AL square. Adding 2 and 3. Now what is AM? AM is equal to half of AB. AM is equal to, let us take this as 4. Now AM is equal to half of AB and AL is equal to half of AC. Let us take this as 5. First we will write down why it is half, because they are the medians. Sec CM and seg BL are the medians. Given. Therefore, AL is equal to half of AC and AM is equal to half of AB. Let us take this as 5. Now put the values of AL and AM in this equation, that is fourth one. In fourth one, so what we will get? CM square plus BL square is equal to AC square plus AC square. Now what is AC square plus AB square? BC square. BC square plus AM square is what? AM is equal to half of AB plus AL is equal to what? Half of AC. The whole square from 1, 4 and 3, 5. From 1, 4 and 5. Therefore, CM square plus BL square is equal to BC square plus AB square. When you take the square, you will get AB square upon 4 and plus AC square upon 4. That is CM square plus BL square. Now denominator is same, so we will take them together. So what you will get? CM square plus BL square is equal to BC square plus, we will take them together, AB square plus AC square upon 4. Denominator we have taken common. Now what is AB square? AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square is BC square. So again you will put BC over here. Therefore CM square plus BL square is equal to BC square plus BC square upon 4 from 1. Now I equalize the denominator. This is BC square upon 1. Therefore CM square plus BL square is equal to, when you multiply with 4, what you get? 4BC square plus BC square upon 4. Therefore CM square plus BL square is equal to 5BC square. So 4BC square plus BC square will become 5BC square upon 4. Take the 4 on this side. What you will get? 4 into BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC square. So that is what we had to prove. So 4 into BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC square.